Tongue on the roof of the mouth, lowering gaze as if through the chin. If you can, cross the ankles. Thumb at the base of the ring finger, the La gate. Chanting the syllables. Hold on, I'm just going to bring up that drone. We'll just do a little call and response like we did yesterday. Inhale. Excellent. Excellent. Oh, ow, One more time. We'll try the whole thing together on one breath. So big inhale, forefingers width below the navel. So again, chanting the syllables, it is said also helps to call back the energy. Tuning into your energy body, tongue on the roof of the mouth, she says again. See if you can feel any subtle changes or differences, changes in breathing, changes in the speed of thought perhaps. Whatever it is, we're just noticing. We're not looking for anything to be right or wrong. Just noticing our state. Mind. Use our mind well. Use our mind to just think or proclaim internally. We are calling back any and all La energy from space. Remember, it's our sovereign right to even command, if you're comfortable with the word command, that it return. Calling our energy back from air and wind. Calling our energy back from fire. Calling our energy back from water. And from earth. So again, very beneficial to do this practice on yourself. Full moon and new moon. Any day is good. Tomorrow I'll send you home with a simple daily practice of 3 points.